What's that you say? Wife don't want you messing with the washing machine, getting it all dirty. But you gotta get gloves clean. You know, the ones you work on the engines and your stuff out in your garage, you gotta get them clean. You can't keep them dirty. Well, I got a fix for that. Get yourself a ball jar. Put your dirty gloves in there. Soak them dirty gloves with Dawn dish liquid, stain remover, and then put you one of them pods in there before teenagers eat them. You know, them pods, or one name brand or non-name brand pod, whatever. You shake that shit after you put I put hot water. Hot water in there. Oh, you can't do this very good if you got arthritis. But I'll tell you what, it does work. No leakage. See there? I ain't getting nothing dirty. Only the water. Okay? You take it as much as you want. I've been shaking this for a while now. Before I even started the video, I just thought about this video here. Give y'all the tips, you know, the big secrets of the hillbilly's ways. All critters. Ooh. Ooh, look at that sudsy. Let me I gotta dry my, hey, I'm drying my hands. That's what I'm doing, drying my hands. I got to show you this. Watch how dirty that water is. Ooh, that dirty. Ooh, look at that water. It's dirty. Man liable there. Zoom in a little bit. Don't get on your phone. Zoom with your button, not your phone. Now we get most. Oh. Yeah, that's right. Make sure you clean the sink up very, very well before you let your wife know you did this. She may not like it. Once dirty. It was as dirty as that spot right there. Now look at it. Come clean. Let me wring this out here for you. Most satisfying videos right there. Most satisfying videos. Right there! I think I got about clean right there. Hold on, let me shake you down here. Let me see what I got here. Okay, let me go. Let me check it out real quick. All right, when you're done, make sure the jar's rinsed out real good. That side right there was black as grease. I know it's not good. I don't have no lighting. I didn't go to Walmart buy me one of them lights there like everybody else did. But you get the drift, right? Once black, now it's not. But guess what? It's going to go through another wash. That's rinsed out really, really well. I kept extra hot water before I did it so I can do it again. 2 washes. I meant to show that part in there. But I did not. I'm so sorry. Thought I had it in frame, my bad. You'll know. This ain't no prearranged with one of them movie shows, you know, give you cue cards and everything. I don't have cue cards. All mine Al General on Naturel. Another shake. the bees right. Oh wait, that ain't that doesn't that's moonshine. I'm cleaning. I'm not making moonshine. Over suds. I shake them one more time. Ain't that ball jar off. Let it set. And then they will be wrung out, twisted really hard to let the water drip. Then I'll put them through a rinse. Then they'll be clean. Because the wife don't want the washer dirty. You know, don't want to dirty get the washer. Thank you for watching. Enjoy.